Lamborghini Urus. Welcome back to Drive Pro, the place where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. If you're passionate about cars, you've come to the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an exciting update from us. Now, let's dive into today's review. The jaw-dropping 2025 Lamborghini Urus. Today, we're talking about one of the most powerful and stylish SUVs on the market, the 2025 Lamborghini Urus. It's where luxury meets performance, and trust me, this beast is turning heads wherever it goes. Let's kick things off with the design. The 2025 Urus still carries that signature aggressive stance Lamborghini is known for, but they've refined it with sharper lines and even better aerodynamics. The front grille is bolder, the LED lights are sleeker, and the new wheel designs are simply stunning. It's a perfect blend of sportiness and elegance. Step inside, and you're greeted with pure luxury. Premium leather, carbon fiber accents, and a cutting-edge infotainment system make the cabin feel like a futuristic cockpit. The seats are not only incredibly comfortable, but also provide excellent support for those high-speed drives. Plus, there's plenty of space for passengers and cargo, making it a practical choice for everyday use. Under the hood, the 2025 Urus doesn't disappoint. It's powered by a 4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that delivers a mind-blowing 675 horsepower. That's right, an SUV with the heart of a supercar. This beast goes from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.2 seconds. Whether you're cruising on the highway or pushing it to the limits on a track, the Urus delivers an exhilarating experience every time. Now let's talk about the technology. The Urus comes packed with advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system for easier parking. The infotainment system is intuitive, with a large touchscreen that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's even a premium audio system for those who appreciate high-quality sound. Of course, Lamborghini didn't forget about safety. The 2025 Urus includes multiple airbags, stability control, and advanced braking systems to ensure you and your passengers stay safe on the road. One of the standout features is the customizable driving modes. You can switch between Strada for smooth city driving, Sport for a more dynamic experience, and Corsa for when you want to unleash the full power of this beast. There's even an off-road mode, making the Urus surprisingly capable on rough terrain. Fuel efficiency might not be its strongest point, but then again, nobody buys a Lamborghini for its gas mileage. It's all about the thrill, the luxury, and the statement it makes. And the 2025 Urus delivers on all fronts. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Lamborghini Urus. What do you think of this luxury SUV? Is it on your dream car list? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your fellow car enthusiasts. Subscribe to Drive Pro for more exciting car reviews, test drives, and the latest updates from the automotive world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Stay driven.